In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your drive on Waze easy tutorial. So grab your iPhone and let's walk through this together like you're actually heading out right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Once it opens, give it a moment to fully load until you're on the main map screen and you can see your current location. Now tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you normally type an address or place name. Go ahead and search for the location you want directions to. As you type, Waze will start showing suggestions, so just tap on the correct one when it appears. Once the destination is selected, Waze will show you the available routes. Take a second to look at the route options on the screen. You'll see estimated travel times and different paths you can take depending on traffic. When you're ready, choose the route you want and tap on Go Now. At this point, Waze will switch into navigation mode and start guiding you with directions on the map. Now that your drive has started, this is where the sharing part comes in. Look toward the bottom of the screen where you see the destination and route information. There's a panel there, and what you want to do is pull that details window up. Just swipe up on that bottom panel with your finger until it expands and shows more options. Once the details window is open, look through the options until you see Share Drive. Go ahead and tap on Share Drive. This feature lets you share your live drive and location with someone so they can see where you are and when you're expected to arrive. After tapping Share Drive, Waze will give you a few ways to share your drive. For this tutorial, go ahead and tap on Copy Link. As soon as you do that, Waze copies a live tracking link to your clipboard. You won't see a big confirmation message, but the link is now ready to be shared. Now you can paste that link anywhere you want. You can send it through a text message, chat app, email, or any messaging platform you normally use. Just paste the link and send it to the person you want to share your drive with. When they open the link, they'll be able to see your live location on a map and track your progress in real time. As you continue driving, the link updates automatically. The person viewing it can see where you are, how far along you are on the route, and your estimated arrival time. You don't need to do anything else while driving. Waze handles everything in the background as long as navigation is active. Once you arrive at your destination or end the route, the live drive sharing will automatically stop. You don't need to manually turn it off unless you want to stop sharing earlier. If you do want to stop it early, you can pull the details window up again and manage the sharing from there. This feature is really useful if you're meeting someone, heading home late, or just want to let someone know you're on the way without constantly checking your phone or sending updates. It's hands-free once it's set up, which makes it much safer and more convenient. If for some reason you don't see the share drive option right away, make sure you've pulled the details window up far enough. Sometimes it only opens partway at first, so just swipe up a bit more until all the options are visible. Also keep in mind that drive sharing only works while a route is active. If you haven't tapped Go Now, the share drive option won't appear, so always make sure navigation has started before trying to share your drive. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open Waze, tap the search bar, search for your destination, choose a route and tap Go Now, pull up the details window from the bottom, tap Share Drive, and then tap Copy Link to share it with someone. And that's it. That's how you share your drive on Waze using your iPhone. It's quick to set up, easy to use, and a really helpful feature when you want someone to know exactly where you are and when you'll arrive.